Let's look at the poll content type in Outgrow. So if you're doing some market research or trying to collect some data or simply trying to engage with your customers, Outgrow polls will be a good option for you. Let's try creating ones on the dashboard. You can choose poll content type, which will then take you to the layout selection page. This layout will only define the basic look and feel of the content, but you can further customize this to match your branding guidelines. For now, I'm going to go with the first one here. So once you've selected the layout, it then takes you to the active Outgrow builder where you can add all your content. You'll see we have all these sections here on the left-hand side, like the welcome screen, the questions, the lead generation form, and the results screen. To make any changes, you just have to click the section that you want to edit. So to make changes to the welcome screen, I can just click welcome screen here, and then I can type in my content. You can have your own subheading. The button text can be changed. You can also add some media, like an image or a video if you want. And you'll see all these changes here in real time. Once you're done with your welcome screen, this is where you can add all your questions. Now, depending on the kind of information you want, you can choose from any of these question types, and to make it more interactive, you can add images to the questions, or if you want the users to watch a short video before they answer any question, that can be done too. Similarly, for these three options that we have, you can have plain text icons or images. Now, when a user answers a question, they'll be able to see how others have interacted with the same question. After you've added all your questions, we have a lead generation form, which of course can be disabled if you don't need this. And you can also add any custom field on the lead generation form. So let's say you also want to ask their phone number. You can just put a field here. And once they fill out the lead generation form, we can take them to the results screen where they can see how many people agree with their response. And then you can also add a poll summary where they can see how others have interacted with all the questions. And you have the option for the users to share their results on social media, or they can also subscribe to your social channel. Of course, these options can be removed if they're not required. So this is how you can create polls with Outgrow. Please let us know if you have any questions. Sign up for a free 7-day Outgrow trial today. Thank you.